Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Pasit Sisaman, and my nickname is Bank. I'm from Benjamin Lashansli 2 School. Imagine a classroom where students from all over the world connect and work together. As globalization changes our world, education is the main factor that will help the future generation learn the skills that are crucial for their future. Today, let's discuss how schools can teach students or the future generation develop skills for the globalization. Skills such as cultural awareness, communication skills, and collaboration. I call them the 3 C's. Speaking of globalization, it involves people from different countries interacting together, resulting in the exchange of diverse cultures. And to foster respect for these cultures, schools must promote cultural awareness by including lessons on various cultures and traditions. This way, it can help students understand and respect different countries. When it comes to human interaction, communication plays a huge role. Effective communication is essential in a globalized world. And schools must teach students how to communicate clearly, which includes learning English and enhancing their speaking and listening skills. However, to succeed in a globalized world, effective communication alone isn't enough. Collaboration is key. Working well with others is crucial in the globalized world. And schools must support collaboration and teamwork through group projects and activities. These experiences teach students how to work together effectively, which is a very, very important skill to develop. To conclude, education must focus on developing skills for globalization by teaching them the 3 C's that I mentioned, which are cultural awareness, communication skills, and collaboration. Globalization leads to a more inclusive community, and the role of school is to develop the future generation for the globalized world. Thank you.